I'll demonstrate how to make a copy of your flyer for your Proposal Idea platform. So once you're in your Schoology group, you will find the posting here, and you will click on the link that says Flyer Template Link. When you click on it, it'll take you to a screen that looks like this. On your screen, you will click on the Canva icon, and then if you have an account, it will automatically log you in and you'll be able to see the template. If you do not have an account, it'll ask you to create an account, and then you'll be able to access the template. Once you've created the account, you can just scroll down and you'd be able to find the template that you have here. What you need to do is on these three options here, click on it, and you're going to click on Make a Copy. When you click on Make a Copy, now you have your own version. And when you click on your original version, you now can go in and you can start to make the edits for this flyer. So in this video, it demonstrates how to make a copy of the template, and you'll be able to make all the edits necessary for the template here for this flyer. If you have any questions, please let me know.